Hey y'all, hey, I am back at Walmart once again. I'm just going in today to just try on some miscellaneous clothes. I don't have a brand in mind. Let's see what they got. Follow me. Alright, so let's get right into it. Now, this shirt is from Free Assembly and so is the actual jeans, right? I did not get to try on this shirt in the past Free Assembly wardrobe haul, but I wanted to try it on with this one. Now, I tried it on in an army green before, and I love the army green one, right? This one is just the top. It does have the skirt to match it, but I did not try on the skirt. As a matter of fact, this location was real scarce when it came to finding clothes that were matching up. I didn't find like two-piece sets. Like everything had been split, which is crazy, right? But I still got to try on some things. This is why I'm trying on different designers. This one, like I said, is Free Assembly. The jeans do match. They are a size 20. They're a little snug, but they still fit. They were able to zip up with ease, and the top, of course, is a double XL. It was able to tie up, because remember, this shirt does not have buttons. It has the peplum action. I could have made the peplum pop out a little bit more by tightening it up, but I did not. I'm not sure why. I just didn't. But this outfit is alright. I mean, I'm feeling the top. I probably wouldn't wear these jeans with it. I like the skirt that goes with it because it just matches very well. But you know what would be great? If they had like some capri like pants that were, you know, straight leg maybe, but the same color as the blue on the top. That would be dope if Free Assembly came out with those type of pants to go with this top. But either way, I mean, it's still an outfit that is a nice casual outfit that you can wear to work or wherever you need to casually go. I still like the outfit. It's just not really me, but it's cute. It's cool. Now y'all, this Sofía Vergara set is not, it didn't come together, but I paired it together. The top matches the jeans perfectly to me. Y'all, I love this jean shirt. It's almost like a shacket, okay? I'm gonna tag anything that I could find online. I did go into the store, of course, and find these things, but I'm sure they're online as well. Her fit and flare jeans are cool. They are also a size 20, and y'all, it was a struggle to zip these things up. I got them on, I got them zipped up, so I was able to tuck in the shirt, but y'all almost gave up and said, we're gonna wear this shirt out this time. But that's okay. Your girl just needs to do some high knee raises, more of them, and we're gonna get that stomach down some more so that I can fit in a 20 with ease. But y'all, this outfit, I'm loving it. I don't even know which way I want to go with this. Like, do I want to wear my Timberland boots with this that are heels, or do I want to wear like some actual heels? Do I want to wear red heels? Like, what we doing with this? It's so many options. I mean, it's literally a lot of options that you can wear with this. I could even go magenta pink, y'all. But yes, I love this outfit. I mean, it's super dope. You can even wear a tank top or wear the jacket or a shirt open, because it is actually a shirt. It's a button-up shirt, but it's giving jacket. I'm actually gonna take it down a little bit here in just a second so that you can get the feel for it if you did not want to tuck it in. I actually did not tuck it. I tied it in the front, and y'all, it's so oversized that it's so many ways you can wear this. You could twist it in the front and then button it up. You could do all kind of stuff with this. I do have a video where I actually take a blouse and I tie it in different ways. Or I took a flannel shirt and tied it in different ways. I might make another update to something like that, because it's been quite some time since I've done that. But again, this is super cute, y'all. It's the color for me. That deep, rich, like denim color, that dark navy is amazing. Now you see me taking the jacket down, or the shirt down. I keep on calling it a jacket. It is not a jacket, y'all. It is a shirt. But just taking the shirt down is even, you know, more comfortable, more cozy. What shoes would you wear with this? Like, comment below and let me know. Which shoes would you actually wear with this outfit? Would you wear Timberlands, like kind of make it a little bit more industrial looking, or would you wear heels to like doll it up and make it a little girly? I mean, I just don't know. I love it though. I love the colors. And then here it is again in a lighter blue color. This one does not quite match the jeans, right? But we gonna make it do what it do, right? Now this one I can see wearing like a carnation pink color with it. You can still rock red with this. You could still wear like the cognac color Timberlands with it. One thing that I would love to wear is my MCM belt that's reversible, but I will wear it on the cognac side. I think this would be a dope fit too. Now with this one, for some reason, it's given tote bag, or it's given a crossbody bag as well. The last one was definitely given a satchel. I don't know why. It just seemed like the last one was, even though you could dress it down, it just seems like it is so classy either way because of that color. But this one, I would definitely probably wear a tote with it. I'm feeling this. Your girl is definitely feeling this outfit. Right now, I got it on with my Crocs, but yeah, I love how baggy the jeans are at the bottom and how tight and form-fitting they are. They're definitely giving the definition fit and flare, okay? They're definitely coming off as fit and flare definition. But I would of course want to pick those jeans up off the ground, so I would wear some shoes that are high. You know, I definitely wouldn't wear stilettos. If I wear heels, they're gonna be thick heels, right? Or even some clogs. I got plenty of clogs that I need to put to good use that I got for $3 at JCPenney's. I need to put them to good use, and I have, you know, several options. It's just so many options with denim on denim. Like, how y'all feel about that trend anyway? I know at one point years ago we was like, oh, we don't do denim on denim, and now it's back. So you know, everything comes and goes. This is something that you can keep staple pieces in your closet for life, because they are always going to go in and out within a 10-year time frame. I mean, I'm gonna say within 5 years they're gonna be back and forth. Either way, you're gonna use both of these pieces every year probably at some point, even if you're not putting them together. I just think that, you know, the denim on denim trend is dope. And even this shirt with the two different colors, the top is still matching with the lighter part of the jeans down the thighs. It still is kind of matching that, right? I would say it is. I really liked it though, but I really love making this haul for you as well. Make sure you like the video and comment below what's your favorite, and also subscribe to my channel, y'all, because I got plenty more where this came from. And make sure you check out the shop button. Bye bye.